What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Well, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, the place where me talk the real truth and it bun them belly. Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, I wanna do out there, I wanna stay out there, no, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you don't feel no pain, and if you are feel any pain, stop the right there. Don't wait till you feel any pain, you go to the doctor. Go and do a checkup. Either monthly checkup or every year you make 1 or 2 checkup on your body. Make sure you're all right. Wellness check, guys. Wellness check is very, very important. Sometimes you know see a person and you do a wellness check, find out if them all right, find out if them still have them 3 pints, or find out if their mental health is doing fine. Check for your friends, enemy, or your family. Just like I want to check for my enemy, Jackie. Check if our mental health is fine because something not right with Jackie. Guys, domestic violence is on a rise. Check out anybody where you'll know living in a toxic relationship. Check them up. Sometimes, guys, you have to make the report. Don't feel bad. Sometimes you have to make authority know what are going on, but no make them know say you because it not go nice. Walk away from trouble if you can. No matter about how much money you spend, just walk away. It is safer to be freer or to lose your 3 pints. If today is your birthday, happy birthday. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy soon come birthday. Yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. It's the weekend. Have a wonderful weekend birthday. If you drink, don't drive, and if you drive, don't drink. Please, beg you, be safe out there on the road. Guys, me no watch the video, but me hear about the video. Me say people, me get that. But hold on, guys. Guys, you see what I go on down Trelawney there? In a Cooper's Pen. I haven't make a straightforward video on it yet because the informations were out there. A twist and turn. I just find the information where me really think me I look for from 2007. So I'm about to make a video to show my point on what I think about it. And guys, to be honest with you, squatting is dangerous. Squatting is dangerous and it's serious. When you spend your money, your hard-earning money on a land that you do not own, guys, it's rough. It's rough. To be honest with you, it's rough. And people need to have heart and mind and soul and think. But there's 2 sides and 3 sides and 4 sides to every story. But we're not going to talk about that. This morning, we are going to talk about Jackie video where me hear say Jackie make. Me want to react to a video when me not watch. Guys, listen how me operate. I'm going to react to a video that I did not, never, and will never watch. Jackie video. All me get was information over the telephone. So guys, I am reacting blind at this video. Me I go show you my versatility. First, I want to say to Jackie, thank you very much. Thank you very much to clear it up for the Big Up crew. And to make everybody know that your Johncrow Town, T, Vibe Studio, Lady Keish are all liars. Because remember, you, Jackie, come out and said, I was the one who said, talk about Sheena. Guys, are you seeing what is going on? Jackie is the one who is giving out the real information and showing you all that Johncrow Town is a set of liars. Because Jackie make you all know that I tell you all I make the video. Up till now, AK never called Sheena's name. Jackie also said she wish someone to give me a lawsuit. Jackie, if somebody give me a lawsuit, it's not you, it's mine. It would be me getting it and I deal with it. Because remember, everything I say out of my mouth, I have information, I have proof, and I have what I need to throw the liar. And remember, that's how I operate. Remember, that's how I operate. I do not open my mouth without having the informations. Anyway, Jackie. Why Jackie look like me eat the can? Jackie, it look like me touch your can. Jackie, me touch your can, man. Me hit it where it's hurt. How do you feel? Now, you see how you're bitter? Just like, oh, you're bitter, Jackie. You're bitter. You see how it feels. Now, when me talk about your baby father them and how your pitney them operate and how you get your pitney them and where the man then gone and all those things, you see how it feels. Now that I said that, it hit you. It hit you so hard that you just come out dirty, making dirty videos. It hit you so hard. How do you think AK, Alicia Kim, feel throughout these 2 years of you all beating her and talking bad about her and her kid and who is her kid dad and all those things? How do you feel? Now can you see how she feels when someone mash her can, when someone step on her toe? Do you see how she feel? And as a matter of fact, I hear, me never see, I hear that you said about your baby fathers and 2 baby fathers and the only 2 them have and this and that. But the thing is, you do not know who AK baby father is. So you cannot say AK baby father ever have another kid. You see, this is the problem with you all. But I am happy that you are able to come out and shed some light on your past relationship, that it wasn't good either. Just as I've been saying, your past relationship wasn't good either. Also, I heard that you said you make a very bad video and your husband said not to post it. Hey, husband, you shouldn't have tell her not to post the video, man. What happened to your husband? Make she post the dirty videos, because guess what happened? I will not make a dirty video of her. Because guess what? I have respect for myself and I have respect for my viewers and subscribers. So husband, next time your wife make a video, don't tell her what to do. Don't tell her not to post it. Let she post that dirty video, because all me I do is just laugh off of her. By the way, another thing. I don't know if I get this one right. Did you say you don't like black man or black people? And did you say, oh, I'm highly and black and ugly? Jackie, the looks done, and me not getting none. The looks done, and me not getting none. Pretty looks done, and me not getting none. But Jackie, guess what happened? Pretty looks not frighten me. Pretty looks not frighten me. Jackie, listen me good now. I mean, I go disrespect your husband. But look for your husband, good and look for me. Look for your husband and look for me. What is the difference? We are 2 black somebody. Hey, Jackie, let me tell you something, you see. I'm going to be honest with you. Making dirty videos about me, anybody, it doesn't make sense. Which it doesn't really trouble me. It will never trouble me. Whatever you say out of your mouth will never trouble. Anyway, Jackie, me still want a pumpkin, you know. Me still want one of the pumpkin. Yeah, the pumpkin when me tell her say, me want for my mother. Yeah, me still want one of the pumpkin. Hey, Jackie, let me tell you something, Jackie. Social media is not a place to come and throw out your dirty laundry. Social media is a place that you come and have fun. But you all Johncrow Town people come on social media and take it to a next level. The level that you take it is a next level of stupidity, a next level of lies, a next level of dirtiness. And that's why I do what I do. That's why I dig for what I dig for. Jackie, let me say this to you. You come out here and you beat AK. Straight. AK said that she's co-parenting and you come out and you jump on it. But as I said, where your kid, dads, them left you and gone, and you come out and you say the same thing. You say you have two different fathers. No disrespect to nobody who have 2, 3 different fathers or 4. Nobody know what life is going to bring. And that's why I don't make certain video and talk certain things, because guess what happened? A relationship can be going perfect and then all of a sudden things change. Nobody know what tomorrow is going to bring in a relationship. So if you're with a man or a woman and you have a kid and something go wrong and the relationship broke up, and you go into another relationship and you have a kid, there's nothing wrong with that. There's no law that says you should stick with one man. There's no rules that say you should stick with one man. However, the way how you and the Johncrow Town operate is like, AK said she's co-parenting and it's come like it's the worst thing on earth. So Jackie, to be honest with you, Jackie, have some sense. Grow some... No growing on. No growing no bars, because that I go take a whole heap of hormones. But Jackie, what me really I said to you is, have some sense. And husband, the same way how you tell Jackie, finna post the video, and she listen, but she says she have it in her phone, is the same way you should have said to your wife, cut out the stupidness, cut out the bullshit, cut it out, because it now make no sense. Because Jackie, it really not making any sense, because you, for yourself, you come out and you said, I was the one who made that video. You just show up Johncrow Town who is saying AK was the one who said it. Why are you all making yourself look so stupid over the Johncrow Town? Which I have no problem with that. I love how you all making yourself look like a dumbass. Yeah. All of you. I wonder how you all feel knowing that Jackie come out and said, yes, Rodney is the one who said it. And let me say this. You see the video out there. You see the video. I do not take down videos. So when I make videos, I make videos. I don't take down videos. YouTube is the only one take down videos. And if all of you out there tell YouTube ABC and YouTube take down my videos, no problem. They have done it 3 times. 3 of my videos YouTube take down because of you all report the video. But to be honest with you, I am happy that you come and tell them, oh yeah, Rodney is the one who do it. But Jackie, I need you to, this is what I need you to do. I need you to stop, look at my beautified self, my amazing self, and think and look across the room and look at your husband. No disrespect to you and your husband. But when your wife put you in the line of fire, you will get beat up. But me no disrespect people. So what me go do is just talk to you with respect. Talk to your wife. Yeah, because me got more. Me got more. Yeah, for real, me got more. And to be honest with you, as you say, me have more. Because remember, me did know, say I know one man, she have her two daughters with. Me did know that, you know. But I never want to push all them things out there. So you see, she push it out for herself. She a going like she a goody girl. Jackie, you are not goody girl. You are goody girl now because you find a man who willing to take your madness. You find a man who will deal with your madness. But before, them never did a deal with your madness. Because how you operate is like when them two man there left you, you jump right into this your husband here. I know say it go, Jackie Tap still lie. As Jackie no make me go there. Jackie no make me go there. Because me now go toe-to-toe with you with the stupidness. But no make me go there. Don't act like when those two baby fathers leave you, you jump into this husband. Don't do that. Everybody have their misfortune when it comes on to relationship. Every single person on this earth. Because we don't know what's in a person. Mind, heart, and soul. A person may look genuine and all they want was just a one night. Sometimes a person want a one night and get a one night and spend 20 more years, 40 more years because that one night was wow. Both man and woman. So, Jackie, to be honest with you is grow some sense. Have some sense. Use the senses that you were born with and have some understanding. Coming out on social media, blowing gasket, talking about somebody looks, talking about Eiley. By the way, you see me Eiley? You see me Eiley? Look for me good. Do you see me Eiley? When you're out in the sun, it's different. Hey, Jackie. Jackie, you are one of the... Hey, Jackie, let me say this to you, Jackie. Ah, yeah, Jackie. Jackie. But Jackie, you know, the real thing is, disrespecting a woman is not me. I will, and I can, but I won't do that. Me just make this video to make you know, say, because me don't watch a video. You know? I didn't watch a video. Somebody called me and tell me. So I decided that I'm going to react to your video blind. But those are the things that people tell me. So I don't know what else is in the video, but they said, you said that I was the one who called Sheena name and me ugly, black, and your husband tell you not to post the video. Husband next time makes you post the dirty video. Because a lot of you, and this is the problem I have with many of you, making dirty videos, talking dirtiness, and then jump out and say stupid things. But guys, that was just a small video me I make, you know, just for... And guys, to tell you the truth, you know, I'm going to see me and make another video about... Yeah, some of these videos kind of drive me crazy. So, for really and truly, me know I go really... Yeah, there's some of them videos drive me crazy. Me I try my best. Me I try my best to make videos. But these videos are drive me crazy to make. Because things when me want to say, me nah go say. So guys, right now, me believe me want to just, hey. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye.